What? Well, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? Hey, yo, franchise the choosing one. 10-star general. I don't know when I come to represent, I don't know a full effect thing. I don't know it go already, you know. When I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, you don't know a loud explosion, boy. Hear me, man? You know the people's champion. You know a Gaza favorite. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. You know, see, the man them circle them like a helicopter. But it was a Aidonia, a squashman and chronicler. You what me I say, man? Right about now, I don't know if you don't see what I go on. Man a send me death threat. A man a send me in a inbox me a tell me so I fi send him my number for make him see how tough me is. Not for dead with laugh, because I say them youth are something else. Because them youth are crazy or something wrong. Yo, I don't mean for blame, my brethren. I don't mean for blame. Go blame Squashman and Chronicler, man. Are the man that will give up the information pound a boy, man. And them people they not to go blame, man. I know me, man. I not tell you not already, man. So you can't eat the player, man. You have to eat the game, man. Buckler, yo, I say, yo. Squashman nasty up the man, all when Squashman nasty up the man and the man can't get up. Chronicler still come dog and stand up on the man head. Buckler. What am I doing to you? Eh? And I see him a bust 38 and squash man Glock quicker and clap it on him like mosquito and make copper junkie man not liquor. Right now him bring them on a plane and go Africa, runway. Oh not born and chat up on no more. Eh? Don't eat the player. Eat the game. You know what I mean? When I don't feel like on the dep and tap on the chat all kind of fuckery, all kind of criticism, and all type of disrespect. And when the table turn pound food, turn against uno want ball shit water. Yo, don't complain to me. But call Miss Barbara Gludan. And she listen to people problem, not me. You hear that? I'm the general, the 10-star one. Let me tell you something, I'm not take talk, hard as me get. You try to know that, but send your address. Your girl, you ask man for address. Who you ever hear do that? Which gangster you ever hear approach a next man like that? Use a girl? I tell you about that, you know. But let me tell you something, you know. Yo, I tell you now, me's a man not deal with body wash college, but you fi tank alkaline for no body wash knowledge. Don't come play with me. You hear that? The general, the 10-star one are representing a full effect. And when I represent, you know in time I drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion. And I know a joke thing. I want me to tell you, man, the man them step on him hard, man. When I say, shell him out. And if him not drop something today, that means the 24-hour thing where him start up, it's like him weak. You know what I mean? Right now him investigator them supposed to work overtime. Him can't find no upper squash man. Me hear all the look one come out this morning when him Giga ball. Cause the man expose him fishing, brother. You see what I deal with? And when him come out and a chat say, David, if I that you ever come out and talk, say it don't make sense, you'd even bother say nothing. Because you not defend nothing. You just say some stupid thing like a girl, you know what I mean? And it don't look good, it don't even sound good. If you not come defend yourself, I don't know where you come and do. A lollipop thing that you do, and Gaza man them not deal with lollipop thing. I tell you now already, a Mach 90 rifle and Glock thing. What I'm telling you. Understand on yourself. I want me to know. Take beating. I want me to you, man. It's a first class beat down the man them a game. Eh? You see, it's a first class beat down the man them a game. The man them surround him like galawas. A bass thing out of the stinger. The 7.62 was tall like the chicken leg where squash man at about. And Chronicler beat up the 5.56. The old tall ass clad 6 pants. And I not tell you about, talk about the A1 John them. The one them were tall like a push broom. I not talk them look a plastic something the way I talk about. I talk the original A1 John them. Jungle snow where I talk about and a lollipop thing. Hey boy, I go ask a girl for them address. But I ask man for them address. Yeah, idiot. Man no wear dress, boy. Man no wear dress nor skirt. Don't get it mixed up. You have to go check Vendetta them for that. Man no wear dress nor skirt. No ask man about no dress. I want me to tell you, no bring your fishy anything to me. I high grade me smoke, me no bun beady. I wanna feel like me easy. Eh? When I represent to the know Gaza way, there ain't no other way. Is what I deal with. But when I get mad and I go like, yo, got different big song. I wanna feel like got different big song. I want me to, man. Got different big song. But that if I go tell you boy, answer big song. Boy them this and think them who not die. When me say me strap on a tie strap, big chrome magnum with hammer fly back. Boy them this think them who not die. Violate them, try that, me rise up, my Glock put shot 9 face like eye drops, bullet a bore him skull like a power gel, gunpowder enough like the flower, them a flower me, this a coulda come back, and a give man tough chat, pack them up like the ark, when nowadays, could know with them this and a try give man tough chat, shot pack them up like the bus at the bus stop, like lobster claw, we pop off the clutch back, boy head open like Dutch back, boy them this, what? Boy, tell him go represent the squash man. You hear that? And don't come tell 10 star about no dress business. Me not deal with lollipop thing. You hear that? Go ask the Vendetta them for that. Me no wear dress nor skirt. You know what I mean? Where you get your badness from? Eh? Where you get your badness from? Right now your badness smells stink. The whole of YouTuber smell it. Use nothing more than a little shishki bag. Come out of my comment box, dog, and out of my inbox. You what? You a real fish. I want me to know that you know the general the 10 star wanna represent. You know you're not gonna can frighten me with your lollipop face. Eh? Some people don't even wash them face. What? 10 star represent. Go answer big song. What the 24-hour thing they will start. Him don't drop no song today, nor tomorrow, nor Monday. And you shall hear the street walk up like a prostitute. You hear that? Watch. General 10 star. Watch.